We need to put a pad on the boat lift.
Yeah, because it would be very easy to just wreck this boat on.
I know, we used to have one on there and it's gone. Oh, I can't go forward anymore. I can't go forward anymore.
Here, push it back that way, Mom. There you go, get through. Please, I'm blasting.
So he touches it again.
Well, you get them on your fingers and then you touch your face, and you're like, my face itches really bad because you get micro slivers of fiberglass. Yeah. It's like the insulation in your attic.
So let's turn this boat. This boat's done. Now let's get this boat turned around. That's how far it went up on the beach, huh? Now make sure your rudder's locked up. Pick it up. It's not up all the way. Now I got the other one down. Alright, now back it up a little bit. Push on that hull. Yeah, boy. It's not as deep here as everybody thinks.
Well, it's deep where I'm standing.
So what do you think, Joel? I told you this would be faster. You got to get it out here. Joe, you got to go this way. We're dragging it.
I'm pulling against the wind. I'm pushing that way. The wind is trying to push our boat into
Okay.
we got the sails on and everything. You know?
All right, all right.
We're on the same team here.
They are. We need those two rollers. Okay, let's release the jib up there, Joe. So, no, take the thing off the sail. That way it cannot get accidentally cleated. Okay.
Oh, Joel's hooked on the wheelies. He's like, can we go up on one hull on this? Like, yes. Then I was notifying every time we went up on one hull. We were just on one hull.
You screw it on one hull. I tried you on one hull. Yep. Maybe we'll pull this one over.
Hey, let's get them down where we can use them.
I wasn't sure exactly where you wanted to.
Okay.
Joe's gonna tap it out.
Get nailed in the head by his shoot.
Yep, fine. It did, but I didn't hurt it. So was that a good workout?
Oh, yeah. Captaining, I don't get to captain the Hobie. Maybe the second or third time in my life actually captaining this thing did.
Yeah.
You're out on the edge, your foot set on the trampoline there with the main sheet in one hand and the rudder in the other. You're like, woo!
Now you haven't experienced it yet. Now we got to get him in the diaper. So when it's up on one hull, and it's just
you can't do a diaper in here because it's just the wind is so inconsistent. Even me leaning would like throw off the balance of the boat sometimes.
But
Does that mean like, oh, like you're almost like
no,
in a way standing?
you wear a harness around your fanny, and you clip into this thing,
And you're like out here.
and then the boat goes up, and you go, oh.
On this boat that's like this.
That's how you can get a long sustained wind like we were talking
Sometimes it flips and then you
have to be agile when you're out there because you can run back and forth to keep the weight. So you watch the front hull and you scoot to the back end to pull that nose up, and then you see it getting too high, you come back. The whole idea is
Bearing down in the water, you want to just above.
You're doing really good at it too.
Yeah, exactly.
so you see how these hulls are shaped like this.
Yeah.
So Hobie Halter was a surfboard maker, and he decided he wanted to make a boat. He wanted to put a sail on it, and the best thing he could come up with was a catamaran. So he came out with the 14, which is 2 feet smaller than this, and only a mainsail. It was a lot smaller sail, and he loved it. So then he developed this one, was the next one out. And this has the jib and a bigger sail, high. Look how tall that mast is. It's a big freaking eddy. When I learned to sail, I was on a half-ton, 27-foot boat. It had as much sail area as this does, and this is 350 pounds. So that's how much sail area is on this thing. And it is just fun. So it's made so other boats are straight hulled, and the tipping forward and backwards isn't too controllable. But this one, because it's a banana, wherever you are, you control the tip of the boat, and you want to keep the boat as flat as possible underwater. So you're walking back and forth. So that green line that's underneath, that's laying on the hull. So when you go out, you grab that and you put that behind your back, and that lets you pull so you're not running. Because otherwise, it happens every time it dives. You want to spin around the boat because you have nothing to hold on to. It just got you like this, and you're like, oh! So you got that, and so you get going, and I mean, it is just a kick.
I was getting, I was first nervous 1 or 2 times you started to like, but then once we were doing more and more, I actually wanted that to happen. I wanted to be almost like vertical experience. It's really,
Oh, wait till you hit your first tip. It's so cool.
I
It
think
is
I gotta hit my first tip, I do.
and not when you're turning around, but when you're screaming,
Yeah.
and all of a sudden it goes. So there's 2 kinds of tips. One tips sideways, and they're slow. So you'll be going along, and all of a sudden there's too much wind on it, and you tip sideways. Now all the air underneath the sail has to get out from under it. So after it gets past 45, it starts to slow down, and you're going, I can hang on, I can hang on, I can hang on. But because of the design of it, the mast goes down, so that the upper hull goes beyond the lower hull. So it's not still sitting like this, it goes over here. So if you don't get off it, then it turtles. That's completely upside down. So you have to decide. So the hook that you use that's on there is like this, and you got the ring, the handle up there. So when you want to get off, you just go, and you're free, and you dive off into the water. And you go, and then the boat. And then the other one is when you're going downwind